Hey, so what's up, folks? I'm gonna give you guys the update for what happened last week, and we will talk about what's gonna happen next week with the charts, all right? So, last week we are talking about silver unwinds. It dropped about 37 to 38% of the record high, yeah? The main driver is basically because Trump picked Kevin Warsh as the next Fed chair, which is his pretty much very hawkish, and USD pop and makes everything goes down. All right. Another of problems that we have with silver is that CME rise the margin requirements for precious metal during the volatility windows. All right. So I would say don't catch the knife. So we'll just have to see if it's gonna make another higher low. All right. Next stop is Iran. Right. Crude oil has been swinging back and forth because Iran, they had a talk with Iran on Friday, right? Everything seems cools down on Friday, and then suddenly on Saturday, Sunday actually, the Iran MP declared that nuclear enrichment and ICBM development is Iran's right, which is pretty much going to increase the military activity in the Middle East, right? Next stop, the Iran trade deal. After the Iran trade deal signed last week, on the weekend, India seized 3 of the Iran's shadow fleet tankers, and the Indian refiners has been avoiding Indian Russian purchases for the future delivery. Okay, last week the big hit was entire SaaS industry got hit. It's just because Anthropic released a new AI agents that claim that will destroy entire SaaS industry. CRM is minus 9%, ServiceNow minus 14%, Oracle minus 10%, Snowflake minus 11.67%, Datadog minus 13.45%, MongoDB minus 7.6%. And another highlights on last week was the 12 billion critical mineral stockpiles that Donald Trump announced that is going to raise up the price for silver, gold, nickel, copper, and another rare earth miners, all right? So watch the tickers and I'll update you during the week. All right, let's talk the charts. Triple Q, it's still flat and it's a bit going down. Over here, the support is at about 588. I don't think it's gonna be around that number next week. Probably it's trying to push higher, but it always gonna be dependent on the news. All right. It has been going flat for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks in a row. SPY is almost the same. However, SPY is getting a bit better. During the last month, we are seeing a greener candles, so it should be going up real soon. Should break the resistance on top. We are looking about like five weeks in a row that SPY has been going flat. All right. Another story with IWM, the Russell 2000 groups, okay? It also has been a bit going flat, I guess. But it seems that the green candles are getting lit up as well, almost like SPY. And it has been doing very great lately. Gold, of course, after the wipeout the other day, I think it's about 10% or 12%, something like that. It's getting making a higher low, and I think it's going to be great. Honestly speaking, I'm bullish on gold. We'll just have to work from there from now on. All right. Bitcoin, it's acting up like the SaaS industry. It has been crashing for the whole week and everybody got stressed out. All right. Last known was 69,000. All right. And I think on the weekend it has climbed up about 71 or 72, something like that. And we'll see how it's going to be. Hopefully it should rebound soon. All right. Silver is doing almost the same with the gold. It start making a lower low, but I think with the news from Iran, it's gonna make a higher low this week. All right. XLE, of course, with the Iran news, it's gonna pushing the price up for the last 4 weeks. Yeah, I think the Iran situation is not gonna be gone really soon. So I think oil is gonna be the major play for now on. Right, folks. So I think it's pretty much that's it for today. And join the oakcliff.com Patreons. The link in below. We have the real-time update on what's going on, access to Discord, and we'll be talking the market updates every single day in the Discord. All right. And that's pretty much it. Have a great day, folks. See you guys around.